have discussed about meaning of stuffing and features and the importance of stuffing. Why stuffing is important in our previous class. So today we will discuss about steps or elements of stuffing process. So if you are getting questions on steps or elements of stuffing process, any process if you have been asked in any question, then you have to write it in a sequence. Whatever sequence we will discuss, according to that sequence only you have to write. उसको इधर उधर करके नहीं लिख पाएंगे हम लोग. जो सीक्वेंस में पढ़ रहे हैं 1 2 3 4 जिस सीक्वेंस में वैसे ही लिखना है. If you are getting steps or process, okay. So what are the steps or elements in the process of stuffing? As you know that stuffing means putting the right person in the right job. सही इंसान को सही जगह पे placement करना. That is called stuffing. Okay. So elements of stuffing. Number 1 is manpower planning or human resource planning. Okay. Manpower planning or human resource planning. Who are the manpowers? Those who are working in the organization. They are the manpowers and they are the present working employees or present manpower you can say, and the future. In future, how much resources, human resource company is in need of, okay, that need to be estimated in this stage. So यहाँ पे estimate किया जाता है, forecast किया जाता है, what is the requirement and what should be the requirement in future. Future में company का कितना requirement होने वाला है, क्या regarding its expansion of business, अगर business को expand कर रहा है, if it is opening different branches and also, तो कितने required होंगे employees. So that is estimated or forecasted. यहाँ पे forecast किया जाता है in this step. So this is the first step. Okay. So the types and types of manpower required and the number of manpower required. कितने लोगों का requirement होगा और किस type के, means what are their qualifications. Okay. Next is next point what you will write here. To get the right number of qualified people at right time. Why this manpower planning is required? Manpower planning is required to get the right number of qualified person. जितने qualified number of persons हम लोगों को चाहिए, हम लोग को timely वो मिल जाए. For that reason we are planning earlier. Okay, planning is the process of thinking in advance. पहले से सोचना और पहले से उसको systematically arrange करना कैसे क्या होगा. That is called planning. So manpower planning is clear now. Next we will come to recruitment. Okay, so what is recruitment, children? Recruitment means it is the process of searching or identifying the sources of required personnel. कितने लोगों को हम लोग require कर रहे हैं, so उनको search करना, उनको identify करना. Okay, that is called recruitment. सर्च करेंगे, then उनको stimulate करेंगे और induce करेंगे. We will motivate them to apply for the job in the organization. Organization में job के लिए apply करने के लिए उनको उनके अंदर एक interest जगाएंगे. So that is called recruitment. It can be done from two sources. One is internal or external. We will discuss it later on in this chapter. What are the various internal sources and external sources of recruitment. Okay. Next is selection. Third step is selection. So what is selection? Selection is the process of choosing and appointing the right candidates, okay, for various job positions in the organization. Choose करना, select करना, जो भी candidates job के लिए apply किए थे उनमें से कुछ candidates को जो कि qualified हैं, those who are fulfilling the required qualification for that post, for that job, they are being chosen here. Okay, उनको यहाँ पे select किया जाता है, choose किया जाता है. Okay, by eliminating the unsuitable candidates. Unsuitable candidates को eliminate किया जाता है and जो qualified हैं, जो requisite qualification जिनके पास है उनको choose किया जाता है. That is called third step of stuffing, selection. Okay, coming to the fourth step or fourth element of stuffing is placement. Okay, after that manpower planning is over, then we have recruited the staff, then we have chosen or selected. Number 4 is placement, means putting the selected candidates in the right job. जो हम लोग select किए थे third step में, जो candidates को select किए थे उनको अपने appropriate place में placement करना. Okay, that is called placement. And an appropriate job is assigned to each selected person. जिसको जो job के लिए लिया गया था उसको वो जॉब में प्लेस किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज हम लोग किसी को टाइपिस्ट के टाइम पोस्ट के लिए लिए हैं तो उसको वो जॉब में प्लेस कर रहे हैं. सपोज वी हैव टेकन समवन एज अकाउंटेंट, वी विल प्लेस हिम एज एन अकाउंटेंट. ओके, so this is the fourth step in stuffing. Next, number 5 and last step of stuffing is orientation. Yes, orientation means to introduce the new candidate or the person to the organization. Okay, introducing to the organization, to its policies, procedures, to the employees, other employees, okay, groups. So to make them familiar with the organization. ट्रेनिंग वगैरह देने के बाद उनको एक ओरिएंटेशन मीन्स इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन टाइप का, जो जहाँ पे कि न्यू एम्प्लॉइज को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया जाता है विद द कंपनी, विथ इट्स पॉलिसीज एंड प्रोसीजर्स, विद द एम्प्लॉइज. ओके, सबके साथ उसको जो नया एम्प्लॉय होता है उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने का स्टेप है ओरिएंटेशन. फाइन. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द स्टेप्स और एलिमेंट्स इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्टाफिंग. Thank you.